Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check decors on the My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's my phone in Village. And in the home screen you can find so many buttons. New, if you want to check the decors, click to the store button at the lower right corner of the screen, and in the lower side of the screen go to the tree icon, and here you can find bale of hay, white haystack, large apple tree and others. And if you reach the level, for example the 9, you can add to your village the small apple orchard, for example. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.